Look up at the night sky. It feels calm, silent, unchanging. But the universe is doing something strange. Everything out there, every galaxy, every cluster of stars, is moving away from everything else. Not drifting through space, not exploding outward. Space itself is stretching. And that leads to our question. Why is the universe expanding? To answer that, scientists looked far away, because in the universe, distance is time. The farther we look, the further back into the past we see. And when astronomers studied distant galaxies, they discovered something shocking. Light coming from those galaxies was stretched, shifted toward red, and the farther the galaxy, the faster it was moving away. So here comes why number one. Why are galaxies moving away from each other? Because the universe itself is expanding. Galaxies aren't racing through space. Space between them is growing. But that raises a bigger question. Why is the universe expanding at all? If space is stretching today, it must have been smaller in the past. Rewind the universe. Galaxies move closer. Space shrinks. Until everything, all matter, all energy, all space, fits into one incredibly dense beginning, the Big Bang. But that wasn't an explosion in space, but the expansion of space. Space itself came into existence and began expanding. And once that expansion started, it never stopped. But wait, why didn't gravity stop the expansion? Gravity pulls things together. It forms stars. It builds galaxies. So gravity should slow the universe down. But something unexpected happened. The expansion didn't slow. It sped up. That means something is pushing space apart. Something stronger than gravity on the largest scales. We call it dark energy. Now the question becomes even deeper. Why does dark energy exist? Dark energy isn't matter. It doesn't glow, it doesn't clump. It lives in empty space itself. And here's the strangest part. As the universe expands, there's more space. And more space means more dark energy. So expansion feeds expansion. The universe is accelerating. Reflectively, dark energy makes up nearly 70% of the universe. And yet, we still don't know what it truly is. It may be energy of empty space. It may be a flaw in our theories. Or it may be pointing to physics we haven't discovered yet. Which brings us to the final why. Why will the universe keep expanding into the future? Because nothing we know can stop it. Gravity isn't strong enough. Matter is too spread out. Dark energy keeps pushing. Galaxies will drift farther away. Some will fade beyond reach, beyond light, beyond memory.